Evangelista had some good looks in the first period. Svechkov comes up with a loose puck. Jankowski to the point. Carrier a flash with a screen from Evangelista. Battle for the puck. Jankowski's got a man open. Shot by Josi. Score! Roman Josi is going to get on the score sheet for the first time in his career.
Yeah, I think they pick up the puck, but get it to the man. Get it to 59, fellas. He's on fire. A good battle won. In the corner, they get possession of the puck, and Roman Josi sneaks it.